In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase part of an image in Canva. If you've ever had a distracting object in a photo, a messy detail in the background, or a small element you wanted gone without cropping the whole image, Canva makes that process much easier. Instead of covering things up manually or using complicated editing software, you can use Canva's magic eraser tool to remove unwanted parts of an image and let Canva rebuild the background for you. To get started, open Canva and go to the design you want to work on. You can find it from your homepage by checking your recent designs or by opening the projects area from the left sidebar. Once your design opens, click directly on the photo you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see a purple outline around the image with corner handles. That confirms you're editing the correct layer and not another element in the design. Next, look at the toolbar above your canvas and click Edit Photo. This opens Canva's image editing panel on the left side of the screen, where you'll find several enhancement and AI-powered editing options. This is the main area you'll use to access the Erase tool. Inside that left panel, look for the Magic Studio section and click Magic Eraser. As soon as you do, Canva switches into an editing mode designed specifically for removing parts of your image. This is where the real cleanup happens. Now adjust the brush size so it fits the item you want to erase. If the object is small, use a smaller brush for better control. If it's larger, increase the brush size so you can cover it more efficiently. Then move your cursor over the image, click and hold, and carefully paint over the unwanted object or area. As you brush, Canva highlights the selected area so you can clearly see what will be removed. Try to cover the full object cleanly, but don't worry about being absolutely perfect. Once you release your mouse, Canva processes the image and attempts to replace that area using the surrounding colors, textures, and lighting. Give it a moment to finish, then review the result closely. If everything looks natural and seamless, click back at the top of the left panel to return to your main design view. From there, go to the top right corner. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG if you want a crisp final image, and then click Download to save your edited design. And that's it. You've successfully erased part of an image in Canva and exported your finished version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.